why salary hike is not going to be of any use in your life, right? So hi, hello, this is Ganesh, and your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks, and upcoming author of the book One Piece Stock Market Plan. Before we begin, please click the subscriber button so that you get anything and everything about money, and you can eventually get unlimited wealth in your life, right? So why salary hike is not going to be of any use? Because I was an employee and I'm an entrepreneur right now. So being an employee, I know what was the problems and challenges. I just wanted to address it, right? So first and foremost is the inflation point, because inflation keeps increasing every year, and average inflation in India for the last 30 plus years is more than 7.7%. And with respect to the lifestyle inflation, the cost is going to be increasing year on year, right? That is the number one point. The number two point is expectation is going to increase. Just because you got money, you may be tending to buy some new gadgets and new mobiles and everything. And after some point of time, your expectation is always going to be high, because you got some money and every year your salary is going to increase. And with that expectation, you will start increasing your commitment by, maybe you think that EMI is the commitment, you will start doing that. And the third point is the expenses increases with income, and that is one of the laws, saying the Murphy's law, saying that your expenses always increases with income. So make sure your saving is the first habit, and then you go for expenses. But most of the time it's not possible, right? You will be always be tending to spend something, and then savings or investment is just left as it is, right? Because anytime and every time the loans are available, you can borrow money at any lower interest rates, and there are so many options available. With that in mind, you will not be tending to buy, or I mean, go for savings itself. So this is another mistake people do. And the last point is implementing process of savings from regular income, because I had seen yesterday also, I was just talking with one of my friend. He said that his income is around 60,000, and his expenses, his home loan EMI is around 25,000, and I don't know how the hell he's leading the life with the remaining 35,000, right? So it's quite difficult to stay in metro city with that money, and it's newborn baby, and with COVID and other things, the expenses are going to rise, and the traveling cost and expenses, and being young married couples, all the expenses will always be there, right? So in that scenario, the whatever the salary hike is going to happen, you will always be living a tight life, and you will try to increase your expenses, and automatically you will feel it, right? So this is the point. So whatever the salary hike is going to come in your life for the next, not one just 1 year, 3 years or 5 years or 10 years, you will always feel that inflation is high, without you knowing. You will keep spending more. Second point is expectation, your self expectation of what yourself. Maybe you will be having a small car, you want to get into the eco sport, you want to have next best lifestyle. And the third point is expenses increases with income. It's almost interrelated with inflation and the new bike or car or lifestyle, everything. The fourth last point is implementation of savings. If you're not having that habit itself of saving at least 10 to 20% from your regular salary, whatever salary hike is you're going to get, it's of not going to be any use. Because the moment your salary is increasing, within a span of couple of months, you'll start increasing your expenses, and automatically you'll start going for vacations, or you'll start spending your money. And ultimately, whatever salary you're going to get is not going to be of any use. You'll be cursing all the senior management people, because I was also doing that in that time, and I understood right now. It's not with respect to them. If you're happy with your money you can invest, and it will automatically grow, and you can have a, and slowly you will start attracting so much in your life. Your promotions and everything, right? Thank you so much for watching. And if you are an employee going through all these stuff, just share your reviews and comments in the comment section, so that I can check it out whether I am right even now, and then I can answer your queries if anything is there, right? Thank you so much for watching. Let's connect in a next video. Thank you.